How to stop unwanted emails in Gmail free tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and share for more. Emails right here that I would like to unsubscribe in Gmail. So click on the email that you would want to unsubscribe now. Now this email is just basically a marketing email. As you can see, if I were to scroll down, it says here unsubscribe. And if you click unsubscribe now we have the option to unsubscribe from this email. There are different options here. I no longer want to receive this email. I unsubscribe. Please add me to the list, etc., etc. And another way how you can unsubscribe directly is at the top screen where it says unsubscribe. Or you can click right here, these three arrows, and then click delete, block, report as spam, or report as phishing. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.